I did a quick Google search on what is Web 3.0 after receiving a few comments on my previous videos asking me to cover it. Someone in our free Discord also suggested it, but I didn't really get a clear answer. In fact, I got a few answers that didn't really match up. So, if you're watching this video, get ready to learn exactly what Web 3.0 is and what it means for cryptocurrencies. Welcome to Crypto Codebreak, your gateway to unraveling the mysteries of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to show your support by liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. Here, we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. We will talk about what Web 3.0 is, how coin ideas fit into the past and present of the internet, and what it means for you as a user in this video. Before we begin, I would like to make it clear that there is no official Institute of Global Technology checked online reference that defines Web 3.0 in a strict way. I'll instead give you a rough idea of what Web 1.0 is, what Web 2.0 is, and what this new thing is that a lot of people are calling Web 3.0. Let's start with 1.0, an initial overview of what the internet was between the years of 1991 and 2004. The internet was mostly a bunch of static pages, meaning that whenever you loaded them, they just showed some stuff and that was it. Some called it read-only. There wasn't any logging in, or interacting with posts or viewing analytics. Most of the early internet wasn't even profitable by ads. It was mostly just like one big Wikipedia, all hyperlinked together. Now, of course, with time, we slowly made improvements, and things like Flash and JavaScript added many new different features. But at this point in time, people who used the internet were customers. To get information, they went to the internet. Next is Web 2.0, which started around 2004 and is still going strong today. The web changed a lot during this time. One of the biggest changes was how people could connect with it. We were getting information from the pages, but the pages were also getting information from us. Companies like Google, Facebook, and YouTube began collecting information about us as we used their services. In order to give us better information that would make us stay on their sites longer, they did this. They would get more money this way. But in the end, they figured out that they could sell all the information they had gathered about us to marketers. The new thing that a lot of people are calling Web 3.0, and then I'll talk about what Web 2.0 is. Web 2.0 is the age of targeted advertising and the lack of privacy for its users. Now, to be fair, we willingly gave up this privacy for cool apps like Facebook and Twitter. In Web 2.0, me and you could both view Facebook.com and see two very different news feeds because the page depended on who was viewing it. This is an important note for a difference in Web 3 that we'll talk about in a minute. The content on your feed is the company sorting data by information. You know that they have data like your likes and how much you watch a particular video. However, the ads they show you are sorted by the information you didn't realize you were providing. For example, they knew you had tacos last night, or that you drop your kids at school every day at 8 a.m., except for Fridays. One story even talked about how machine learning showed a man parenting ads before he even became a dad. This could be because his girlfriend searched for her symptoms using their public IP address, and the machine learning program probably knew when she ovulated. It's scary that all of this info is controlled by a single company, no matter what the case is. Click the like button if you like the movie and want to give the algorithm more information to look at. It helps our channel grow and lets our team know they're welcome. Next, we will discuss Web 3.0, the next evolution of the Internet, likely using blockchain technology and decentralization tools. In Web 2.0, you were the product as you browsed social networks. However, in Web 3.0, you may be the owner of your content. The idea is that you have control over your posts. If you want a post to stay up, it'll stay up. If you want to take it down, you have the power to do so in Web 3.0. As we know, once something is on the internet, it usually stays on the internet. However, Web 3.0 may change that norm. Web 3.0 is going to change the way people use the internet. Odyssey, a blockchain-based option to YouTube, is a real-life example of this change. People who make videos can post them on this site and get library tokens as a reward for getting people to watch them. Odyssey is different from other platforms because it can't stop a movie from being uploaded. If someone posts a movie and other people on the network want to share it, they can download it and send it to other people, kind of like a big torrent network. A post can't be deleted in this case because it's not kept on a single server, like it is on Facebook, but on thousands of computers around the world. This keeps threats and censorship from happening on the blockchain social network, but this freedom could make people post harmful and illegal material. However, it's expected that people who use the network will be able to come up with a way to block that kind of material. In the Web 3.0 era, it's predicted that every company will be managed by a decentralized group known as a decentralized autonomous organization, DApps. This revolutionary change in internet usage and management is the essence of Web 3.0. Data refers to decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. We have a comprehensive video explaining these complicated terms and their applications. DAOs imply the absence of CEOs or presidents to impress. Instead, individuals possessing the most tokens have the voting rights to influence the company's changes. These are not restricted by any government or traditional family norms. In Web 3.0, there will be no censorship on social networks like Facebook or Twitter, and no single authority can shut it down. One of the significant aspects of Web 3.0 is that your digital identity is not entirely linked to your real-world identity. This allows you to surf the internet, download items, make purchases, and carry out other online activities without being traced back to your actual identity. There are several ways to remain anonymous online, which could be a potential topic for our future videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Finally, these ideas might be long-term ones related to Web 3.0. In the next 10 years, you might be able to use MetaMask to buy Amazon gift cards and pay with Ethereum. You could also use a secret wallet to like a friend's post without giving your name. Change will happen slowly, with different ideas growing at the same time, until centralized companies like Google and Facebook are broken up by the government and decentralized, uncontrolled DAOs take their place. The Web Foundation is a business that backs projects that make the internet less centralized. The Web3 Summit, Polkadot's blockchain, and Polkadot's test chain are its three major projects. They don't really show what Web 3.0 I like, but they do offer funds, and a lot of them use and support the Polkadot blockchain. To understand this better, it's like Facebook buying a foundation for Web 2.0 and claiming they initiated it. Facebook is a company, while Web 2.0 is an idea. Similarly, Polkadot is a blockchain, and Web 3.0 is an idea. One doesn't own the other. We also came across a video titled Why Web 3.0 is a Scam by Trader University, discussing how Solana is also exploiting the novelty of Web 3.0. It's essential to understand that Web 3.0 is a vast concept with numerous small ideas. not a single idea controlled by a foundation to hype up the internet's next step or to sell their token. If you want to support Web 3.0 education, consider subscribing to our channel. Welcome to Crypto Codebreak, your gateway to unraveling the mysteries of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to show your support by liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. Here, we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and look forward to seeing you in our next video.